Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit video on a Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So to edit the video, you have to add a project first. You can start a new project by click this new project and get the video that you want to edit, or you can also continuing the video that you already saved on your project before. So this is the video that I already saved before. I take this video from Capcut video stock, and after that let's edit this video. First thing, I want to cut this video since I have too long duration here, 12 seconds. I want to make it like 3 second stop, so make sure that this straight line is stopped in the like precisely positions that you want to cut the videos off. So I want to have 3 seconds, so after enter second I want to just click edit and click split, and after that I want to delete the rest of the clip, so I only have this 3 seconds video. Okay, so for the next, I want to change the color of this video. So the only way is just click the clip until it is in active mode, and after that we can just exploring anything, any features, any tools that provide by the Capcut. Just need to slide into the left side right until we found a adjust or filters. If you want to make it instant or like fast, just go into the filters, and now you can choose which color that you want to use or apply into the video. For me, I want to make it more dramatic, I think, so let's scroll into the left side and explore what color that probably suitable with this video. Okay, this one is quite cool, so you also can adjusting the intensity of these filters. You can make it less, you can make it intense, and after you finish adjusting, feel satisfied with the editing, just click done, and let's have a try. You already editing your video, and after you finish, just need to export it, and then this video will be saved into your device. That's all the way you how the way you edit the video on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.